Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another post-market analysis video brought to you by Coin Learnity. And as usual, we are going to be looking at the Euro USD price charts. Now, for the past week, I've been looking for higher prices on the Euro USD, right? Because what do we have here? You can see I said that I was kind of bullish on the Euro USD. Now, why was I bullish on the Euro USD? Because if you look closely here, you can see that we have a shift of market structure. Now, where is that shift? Let me zoom in to show you what I mean by shift of market structure. As you can see here, we have a high, we have a low. Now we have a high higher than this high, right? And that becomes a shift of market structure. So I was seeing the markets constantly putting in this shift here, because for us to have a break, the market has to move or close above this high here for us to have a break. But we don't have that yet. So what we have here is a shift of market structure. Now, what does shift of market structure tell you? It tells you that we might be changing trend. So in this example, it means that we might not be going lower, rather it might be actually going higher. So I turned my attention to the bullish side of the markets, right? So I was looking for a trade setup here. So this was where I marked out my order block, and I was looking for market to what come down here. Then we take out these highs here. So we have this first target, then the second one. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame to see how that plays out during the week. Now during the week, you can see here the market retested that daily order block I just drew out. Now after it retests that, what do we have? We have a break of market structure. Now let me mark that out if you don't know what is a break of market structure. So we have a break right here. This is the break, right? And after that break, we have what the market. We have a fair value gap. If you look closely here, this is a fair value gap. We have an order block below that fair value gap also. So you can see the market retraces to the point of interest. And once that happens, what do you see? Let me get my line to, that is my position size, because this was where the trade actually took place, right? So this where's the position to here? So this is the long position to. This is the fair value gap, which was my first line of defense. That is the first point of interest at that area, the first support area here. So that is where I'm going to be taking my trade. When I take the trade, I put the stop loss below the low, and targets was the targets I drew out. So the old highs that I drew out as targets. So it meant the first target, which was around the risk reward ratio of 1 to 1.45, which is around 1 to 1 hour or more. Let's say it's around 1 to 1.5 hour. Then if you held till this other target was met, that would give you a 1 to 2 hour, which is a very, very good setup in my books. So this is what transpired this week on the charts. So guys, watch out for the pre-market analysis. We'll be talking about what we'll be expecting for the coming week. I will see you all in the next video.